Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually tame an alley in Minecraft. First of all, to get your alley in Minecraft you have to get the version 1.819. If you don't have this version, for example, if you go to my 1.18 version and open it, just like so, and just like that, if you search for an alley you will not find it. So please make sure to switch to your Minecraft 1.19 and then you complete this tutorial with me. So I will do the same and I will come back to you right after I open the 1.19 version of Minecraft. So now guys, I opened my 1.19 version of Minecraft. So let's get ahead and open our world. And I'm sorry if you hear any noise in the background. I think the construction has begun in my neighbor's house, so I'm really sorry for this noise. Now let's go and open Minecraft and I will show you really quick how you can tame an ally. So different in the textures, I feel really some difference in Minecraft now. Even the trees, I feel like they are a little bit different, but yeah, anyway. How we can now ally the ally? So we can tame an ally. First of all, we need to get in here and let's search for it. Ally. Ally, yeah, that's like just like so. So now what you can do is spawn them in a close area like this one. Yes, and now how you can tame it, you can just get, for example, an emerald and give it to them and wait. After you give this emerald to them, wait for them until you see like some red stuff on them. Let's wait. Cake, let's search for cake as well. Cake, and let's give them cake as well, like so, and let's wait for them. Let's drop the cake for them. Wait, let me give them the cake, and just like so they will become so happy. As you can see, it can take some time for it to like love you, but let's spawn another one. Ally, like so. Yeah, let's keep giving them a lot of emeralds, and after doing so they will like after like doing this for like a while, it's supposed to like show you some effects of love. Wait, let me check my option. I think I turned off my settings, shadows, animations, and yeah, everything is turned on. I don't know what bugs happened to me, but it must look sometimes something like so. Let me show you in here. It must show you something like this, wheat, like this, and it will show you these particles. After they show you these particles, oh, like just look at them, they're actually following me. So yeah, it was just a visual bug. They supposed like to show me that these hearts, but as you can see they're following me, so they are mine now. As you can see, you only give him emeralds and put some cakes down below, like below them, and they will love you by the end of the time. So yeah guys, this was the tutorial for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.